And we have these statements that we need to translate into plain English, and also negate, and then translate the negations into plain English. All right, so the first one. There exists an X, that's a thing, that is rotten and in Denmark. So something is rotten and in Denmark. Let me do the translations first, then I'll do the negations. This one, for everything that is in Denmark is rotten. So everything in Denmark is rotten. This would be the opposite. Everything that's rotten is in Denmark. There exists something that is in Denmark that is also not rotten. So something in Denmark isn't rotten. Okay, so that's the original statements. Now let's find the negations. So for the first one, if I negate it, I would have for all x and t, either not Rx or not d of x. Okay, so everything is either not rotten or not in Denmark. Next, if I take the negation of this next one, I would have there exists an x and t such that d of x and not r of x. And you'll notice that that's exactly the same thing as this one, that there exists something that is in Denmark and not rotten. Okay, so this makes sense, right? If I read them as sentences, everything in Denmark is rotten, something in Denmark isn't rotten. Clearly those are negations of each other. The next one, number 3, there exists something that is rotten and not in Denmark. So there is something that is rotten. So something rotten is not in the state of Denmark. And the last one, if I take this negation just directly, I would have for all x and t, d of x, or not d of x, or r of x. And if you remember the rule p or not q, that's the same thing as r of x implies, d of x implies r of x. So if I have not p or q, that's the same thing as p implies q.